Art is not what you see, but what you make others see. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Sketch with SMR. So, my today's topics are fine art, painting and drawing. So, I will tell you that I will be explaining in very basic and detailed form. So, it will be easier for you to understand. So, let's move to our first topic, that is fine art. So, what is fine art? There are multiple meanings for this word fine art. One definition says it is an activity requiring great skill and accomplishment in that particular field. Other definitions say it is an creative art, especially visual art, whose products or artworks are mainly appreciated for their imaginative, intellectual and aesthetic content. Other definitions say it is an art form mainly practiced for their aesthetic value and beauty rather than its functional value. See, for example, I am painting or drawing to explore my skill of paintings, to see what I am capable of, to see what I can paint. It may not have any functional purpose. So that is fine art. Art for art's sake is fine art. It is also called as a pure form of art. Fine art is a pure form of art. Pure art. Okay, I will make it more easier for you to understand. See, for example, if you are playing football, okay, but you are not playing for any preparation for a tournament or matches. You are playing because you are enjoying to play and you want to explore the game. That's all. So, fine art is practicing an art which may not have any purpose. You are practicing to explore that particular skill, or you are love to do that. You love to explore that. It is like exploring the art or creating the art purposelessly. That's all. So the next question up here is, what does fine art include? Definition go on changing time by time, but most of the activities of fine art are drawing, which is followed by charcoal drawing, pastel drawing, pencil drawing, pen and ink drawing, caricature, and painting, followed by tempera painting, ink and wash painting, oil painting, watercolor, gouache painting, and acrylic painting. It is also included that sculpture, printmaking, photography, calligraphy, and animations are the activities of fine art. So let's focus more on painting and drawing. So the next part is, what is painting? What is painting? When we create something by using paint, it's called painting. So this is a common meaning worldwide. But in the field of fine art, painting is the form of art which captures the expression of the ideas or emotions on the two-dimensional surfaces. When we talk about art, our mind jumps to the painting. Why? Because paintings are most recognizable and highly valued artworks in the existence. Artists use the elements like shape, line, texture, color in a unique way to produce a painting that conveys the sensation of movement, volume, space and light. A painting can represent a natural scene or object. It can be narrative or it can be wholly abstract. The world is full of famous paintings from different eras and of different styles. You can check it on Google. You will get thousands of paintings of different artists from different eras. Now let's move to the last topic of this video and the base of the painting, which is drawing. So, what is drawing? Google says drawing is a picture made with pen or pencil, etc. Basically, in visual art, drawing means marking on paper or any other two-dimensional surface. You can use any medium to draw, like graphite pencil, ink, pen, paint brushes, charcoal, crayons, markers, etc. Now, why we draw? Other than art and painting, why anybody draw something? Maybe because drawing explains your thoughts which your words cannot explain. This is the real feature of drawing. Drawing is in our genes. Our ancestors transferred the knowledge through their drawings, like cave paintings or carvings on the rock, etc. Now we use the drawing to do the same, or to express many other things like dangers, ideas, emotions, etc. Once in a lifetime, every human being feels that instinct of drawing. Drawing is something that through that you can bring your imagination to the physical world. Do you know? Picture is worth 1,000 words. Realistic artists, abstract artists, engineers and architectural artists also all agree that drawing play a major role in their work or profession. Drawing or sketching can improve and refresh your mood. You feel very positive feelings while drawing or sketching. In the world of fine art, drawing is the foundation of painting. The quality of drawing decides your quality of painting. Drawing is your actual skill which brings you to the world of fine art. Also, your observation plays a major role in the drawing. If you want to become good at drawing, then you must have to become good at observing. You have to become a good observer. Okay, so that's enough for today. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, keep watching, keep sketching, and also subscribe our channel Sketch with SM Art. Thank you.